Hello, and welcome to a Photonic Cleaning Technologies step-by-step guide. Today we're cleaning a 200 gram precision weight using First Contact Polymer. However, this method may be used for other substrates that require the entire object to be cleaned with only our cleaning product ever touching the surface. We started off with a layer of polymer in a flat dish and allowed it to dry for 5 minutes, then placed the weight on top of the surface. With a pipette, we apply the rest of the polymer to the remaining surfaces, and using the 15 milliliter bottle and brush, pull at the surface tension of the polymer to fully coat the object. After the polymer is fully dried, we peel it out of the dish and remove the bottom layer from the weight. And finally, push the weight out of the remaining dried polymer. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website at photoniccleaning.com or click the link in the description below. Watch some of our other videos and quick up guides on YouTube, and subscribe to our channel for when new videos come out.